What is up, guys? Done on the side. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Airtable to Base44. So first, you need to head over to your Base44's application or website, and then you just simply need to log in with your account credential. After that, when you're logged in, you need to click on integrations, and from here, you need to click on create integration. And from here, you need to enter the integration name. I'll go with Airtable, and after writing the integration name, you need to enter the description. The description is compulsory, and after adding the description here, you just simply need to click on continue to integration content, and here in the secret name you need to enter the API key name, and then here you need to get the API key. So to get the API key, you need to open Airtable in a new tab, and when you are redirected to the Airtable's homepage, on the right side of the tab, you need to click on your profile and then click on Builder Hub. After clicking on Builder Hub, here in the new window, the Builder Hub will open, and from the Builder Hub, you just simply need to go to the personal access tokens, and after clicking on personal access tokens here, you will see the option to create a token. Simply click on create token and then name the token, and as you can see, I am naming it as Airtable 123, and then you need to add a scope. To add a scope, you just simply need to choose from one of these, and then you need to add the access resources. After that, you need to add a base. After adding the base here, you need to add another base, and after adding it here, you just simply need to click on create token. I currently haven't verified my email, that's why it's not showing me the option. So just simply click on create token, and after that just copy the API key that it generates, and after copying, paste it here, and then click on add API key to add that API key, and don't forget to paste the API key again in the implementation guide, and when you're done, simply click on save integration to save your integration, and this is how you can build a connection between the Airtable and Base44. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.